This 2024 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite 24 View is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6 LP detector, auxiliary battery, oven, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, awning, skylight, air conditioning, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite 24 View is 6,158 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.